Kshetra. Welcome back to Kshetra's world. Today I bought a surprise for you. That is OnePlus 11R phone. The reason behind I bought this phone is for our YouTube channel. I asked my father to buy this phone. He gave a mystery gift for me. Now, let's see what's inside this phone. I'm so excited. Are you ready? So, let's see what's inside this. Now, I'm opening it. 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Oh, something is there here. Oh, what's this? They gave us it never settles. Okay, we'll see what is it afterwards. First, let's see the phone. Oh my god! It's gorgeous! Now let's open. Oh my god! Wow, it's amazing! See how amazing it is! Wow, it's unbelievable! This is so beautiful! And let's see what's inside this. Oh! There are some kind of paper. They told this is quick guide. This is safety guide. These are 6 stickers. They gave stickers also. This is also some pair of stickers. I don't know about that. But this is membership card it seems. Oh, there is a card here. So guys, they told it as Red Cable Club. I don't know what is it. If you know, comment down below. So guys, the charger and the cable are amazing. The quality is amazing. They can last for many years. The best cable, as you see, it is in the red color and this is so long. And the quality of this cable is amazing. So now we will open this. I saw it first, but I don't know what is in it. Now let's open and see it. I guess something good only is there. Oh, there is a back cover here. So guys, this cover quality is also so nice and this is in my favorite color, black, and they gave a shining coating. It's amazing. So guys, let's keep this pouch to this phone. They given back cover also and this pouch perfectly fits for this phone. So guys, let's start this phone. This phone is so fast. This phone has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage capacity. This phone has 50 megapixel of back camera and 16 megapixel of front camera. This is very amazing. The battery's capacity is 5000 mAh. It just takes 20 minutes to charge up to 100%. So all features in this phone are amazing. So I like this phone. I guess you also like this phone. If you do, comment down below. If you think this video is informative, like, share and subscribe.